There was a man named Larry who had just bought a parrot. The pet store owner warned him. This parrot was owned by a sailor, so he swears a lot. But if you pull on his right leg, he'll recite poetry. Pull on his left leg, and he'll sing songs. Larry thought this was amazing, so he brought the parrot home. Eager to show his friend, he pulled the parrot's right leg, and it recited Shakespeare. Then he pulled the left leg, and the parrot sang a beautiful melody. Larry's friend, curious, asked, "What happens if you pull both legs at the same time?" The parrot squawked, "I'll fall, you idiot."